Thank you for joining me today. If you found this exploration valuable, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Social Work PK. Until next time, this is your host Muhammad Arshad Abbasi, signing off. My dearest fellow social workers from Pakistan and all over the world. Remember, social work in Pakistan is facing great challenges and need extensive mutual efforts for its recognition, promotion and development. Let's join hands, show unity and solidarity, forget all conflicts, start behaving positively and say no to negative people, and start work together for social work effectively and continue making a meaningful difference in society. Take care. Social work Zindabad.